son very much. And they call so many names, Raja Beta, Mera Raja Beta. So, what is the psychology behind this Raja Beta and how it affects women in the house? We'll talk about that today. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Woman, where I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and we talk about all the women related issues. So, this entitlement starts from school. They are not told to come on time in the house. When breakfast is made, every time mother asks her son, what will he eat? What Raja Beta will eat? Whole house will be eating that only because he is Raja Beta. Families are not even aware the girl who has come in the family what she likes actually. They don't know because they don't want to know. If separation happens, then mother will always say that girl is very over smart. She doesn't want to have this relationship. She is not suitable for my Raja Beta. Daughter-in-law is the only cause of ruining this relationship. She will never guide her child how her son can improve his relationship. Generally it is seen. I know that 20% things are very good out there, but I am talking about 80%. So recently one minister commented on ripped jeans. We all know, and those ripped jeans also men can wear, but if women wear the same ripped jeans, it's a big business. It's a product which is very famous. It's bought by men and women both. But ripped jeans comment was also for us. Food will be served first to the son. If daughter-in-law comes up from office and she is tired and she want to have meal, she can't express herself that I am feeling hungry, can I eat first? She can't even dare to ask that because it is understood that Raja Beta will eat first. Always. इतनी सारी prayers करते हैं कि राजा बेटा हो जाए. Girls are debated every time. They are shown what is the actual place for them in the house, and this Raja Beta will always be prioritized everywhere. If this Raja Beta is not feeling well, mother will be so concerned. She will be just roaming around the son. That okay, you take this, please take care, you should take care. But if same thing happens with a daughter-in-law, then you say she is making excuses. If she has period pain, so she will lie for 4 days. That is not possible. She has to work. And if she has pain, then definitely she can't show it also. She has to smile. Always and forever. Reason or without reason, she has to smile. The criteria she will live in the house or not. If she is not becoming a part of the family, there is no space for her. Even if we are not giving her a chance. There is a survey done which tells us that 31% women are suffering tortures in their houses in many forms. It's domestic violence, sexual abuse, depriving their human rights, etc. etc. So this Raja Beta expects everyone to sacrifice for him, to take care of him. He doesn't know where his shirt is, where his shoes are. He doesn't know that. And he has this mentality that someone will come and take care of me because I am Raja Beta. And he feels that he is always right because his mother has told that you are always right. You are my Raja Beta. How can you be wrong? So many privileges are given to them just because they are dear to their mother. So who is creating all this ruckus? Mother only, right? So she's a woman. So again, if you stand up and say to your son that this is not right, you should respect your wife, you should respect your sisters, you should respect women. And if you are Raja Beta, then they are also Rani Beti. This is high time that society accepts this because according to dates, we are moving ahead. But are we moving ahead actually? That is something we need to see in our homes. And this upbringing becomes the cause of all the issues which women are facing these days. All the violence, everything, because of this upbringing. Because we tell them that you are our Raja Beta. So please tell your son that yes, you are my Raja Beta, but she is also my Rani Beti. My daughter is also my Rani Beti. My daughter-in-law is also my Rani Beti. So for today's video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget the bell icon. Thank you. Take care.